Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we will present our construction management proposal for the Horizon Tower project by SheLeads Construction. Here are the team members involved in preparing this project proposal. SheLeads Construction provides professional construction management solution focused on planning, coordination and supervision to ensure projects are delivered safely, efficiently and successfully. The Horizon Tower project is a proposed 40-story mixed-use development located in a busy urban city centre. With an estimated budget of 250 million ringgit Malaysia and a 24-month completion target, the project faces challenges such as limited site access, heavy traffic conditions and strict construction regulation. Through proper planning, coordination and management strategy, SheLeads Construction is committed to delivering the project successfully while achieving quality, time, cost and safety objectives.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Christina. I will be presenting the Organizational Breakdown Structure or OBS for the Horizon Tower project. As shown in the organizational chart, the hierarchy begins with the client represented by Dr. Wafi, who is responsible for setting the project objective, requirement and expectation. The client is the key stakeholder and receives progress updates throughout the project lifecycle. Directly below the client is the project manager, Safia. The project manager is responsible for the overall success of the project, including planning, budgeting, scheduling, risk management, and communication with stakeholders. The project manager ensures that the project is completed according to the client's requirement, within budget and within the 24-month timeline. Next is the construction manager, Jasmine, who reports directly to the project manager. The construction manager oversees daily construction activities on site and ensures that all work is carried out efficiently, safely, and according to the project schedule. These roles serve as the link between project planning and site execution. To supporting the construction manager are 4 key personnel. Firstly, the site engineer Zulaika, who is responsible for technical supervision, ensuring that construction works comply with approved drawings, specification, and engineering standards. Secondly, the quantity surveyor Amina, who manage project costs, prepares cost estimates, evaluates variation, and ensures effective financial control throughout the project. Thirdly, the HSE manager, Health, Safety, Environment Manager, Christina, who is responsible for maintaining health, safety, and environmental standard on site. This role is especially important for a high-rise project located in a congested urban area. Lastly, the QA/QC manager, Fadlin, who ensures that all construction works meet the required quality standard through inspection, testing, and quality monitoring. In conclusion, thank you. Next, I will explain the roles and responsibility of the key personnel involved in the Horizon Tower project. Firstly, the project manager or PM is responsible for the overall success of the project. The PM oversees project planning, budgeting and scheduling, stakeholder communication. In addition, the PM ensures that the project is complete within the 250 million ringgit budget and the 24-month timeline while meeting the client expectation. Secondly, the construction manager or CM is responsible for managing daily construction activities on site. The CM coordinates subcontractors, labor, materials, and equipment to ensure that construction work progresses according to schedule. The CM also resolves site-related issues and ensures efficient site operation. The third role is the site engineer. The site engineer provides technical supervision on site and ensures that construction work follows approved drawings, specification, and engineering standard. This role is important for maintaining construction quality and solving technical issues that arise during the project. Next, the quantity surveyor or QS is responsible for cost and contract management. The QS prepares cost estimate, monitor project expenditures, evaluates variation orders, and ensures that the project remains financially controlled throughout the construction phase. Another key role is the Health, Safety, and Environment Manager or HSE Manager. They develop and implement safety procedures, conduct site inspection, and ensure compliance with safety regulation. This role is particularly important because Horizon Tower is a high-rise project located in a busy urban area where safety risks are significant. Lastly, the QA/QC engineer is responsible for maintaining quality standard. This role conducts inspection, monitor workmanship, identify defects, and ensure that all construction works meet the required specification differences and boundaries between the project manager or PM and the construction manager or CM in the Horizon Tower project. Although both roles are important for project success, they have different responsibilities and area of authority. Firstly, the project manager focuses on the overall management of the project. The PM is responsible for planning, budgeting, risk management, stakeholder communication, and ensuring that the project is completed according to the client requirement. The PM acts as the main point of contact between the client, consultant, and the project team. Therefore, the PM's role is more strategic, focused on achieving the overall project objective. On the other hand, the construction manager focuses on the daily operation at the construction site. The CM is responsible for supervising construction activities, coordinating subcontractors, managing site resources, and ensuring that work is carried out safely and efficiently. The CM's role is operational, focused on executing the construction work according to the project plan. The key boundary between these two roles is that the project manager decides what needs to be achieved, while the construction manager determines how the work will be carried out on site. For example, if material deliveries are delayed due to traffic congestion around the horizon tower site, the site manager will reorganize site activities and coordinate resources to reduce the impact. However, if the delay affects the project timeline or budget, the issue must be reported to the project manager, who will evaluate the impact and communicate with the client regarding any necessary adjustment. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Safia Sakinah binti Ratiman, PB24129. Today, our team will present the management best practice implemented for the Horizon Tower project. Horizon Tower is high-rise construction project with a budget of 250 million and a construction duration 24 months. The project is located in a congested urban area which creates challenges such as a limited working space, traffic congestion, safety risks, and coordination difficulties. Therefore, effective management practices are essential to ensure the project is completed on time, within budget, and without compromising safety. For this project, we focus on two key management practices, which is first, time and schedule management, which helps control project progress and avoid delays. Second, health safety environment, or HSE management, which is ensure a safe working environment and compliance with regulation. Now, I will explain the first management practice, which is time schedule management. Time and schedule management is critical because construction projects involve many interconnected activities. Any delay in activity can affect the overall project completion date. The first strategy is the critical path method, or CPM. This method helps identify critical activities that directly affect the project timeline. By closely monitoring these activities, the project team can prevent delays and maintain progress. The second strategy is lean construction principle. This approach focuses on improving efficiency, reducing waste, and minimizing site congestion, which is especially important in a busy urban construction environment. The third strategy is weekly progress meeting. These meetings allow the team to review project progress, identify issues early, and take corrective action before problems become serious. Next is resource allocation and productivity management. This ensures labor, equipment, and materials are distributed effectively so that work can continue smoothly without interruption. Finally, dedicated project management systems are used to improve communication, monitor progress in real time, and manage project documentation efficiently. As a result, these strategies provide several benefits. They help monitor project progress more accurately, reduce delays, improve coordination among stakeholders, increase productivity, and ensure the project can be complete with a planned 24-month schedule. Now, let's move on to the second management practice, which is health, safety, and environment management. Health, safety, and environment management is a crucial aspect of construction management because construction sites contain many potential hazards. The main objective is to achieve zero fatalities, zero major accidents, and full compliance with munition safety regulation while promoting sustainable construction practice. Several key safety measures are implemented. The first, comprehensive risk assessment. Before construction begins, potential hazards are identified and implemented so that preventive measures can be established. The second measure is emergency preparedness and response. Workers are trained and emergency procedures are prepared to ensure a quick and effective response during incidents or emergencies. The third measure is tower crane and lifting safety management. Since lifting operation involves significant risks, strict procedures, certified personnel, regular inspection, and design safety zones are enforced. The fourth measure is environmental management. This includes controlling dust, managing construction waste, reducing noise pollution, and preventing spills to minimize environmental impact. Through this measure, the project can achieve safer working conditions, reduce accident risk, comply with management regulation, and support sustainable and construction practice. In conclusion, effective time schedule management together with strong HSE management are essential for ensuring the successful completion. The Horizon Tower project, despite this, have delivered the project efficiently, safely, and within the planned schedule. Thank you for me.
I will go through for the scenario 1. The ethical issue involved bribery in material approval. The supplier offers 50,000 to a construction manager in exchange for approving substandard construction materials. Accepting these materials could compromise the quality and safety of the project. The ethical issues are bribery, conflict of interest, and a breach of professional integrity. Construction professionals must always act in the best interest of the clients and ensures that all materials meet the required specifications. To address this issue, the construction manager should reject the bribe, conduct a quality assurance and quality control inspections, issue a non-conformance report if the materials face requirements, and report the incident to the project manager. If correction is informed, the matter should be referred to the relevant authorities. By taking this action, project quality, safety, and professional ethics can be maintained. Next, I will go through for the scenario 4. The ethical issue involves an inflated progress claim and attempted bribery. In this situation, the main contractor claims that 70% of the mechanical and electrical works has been completed, while the actual set progress is only 45%. The contractor's project manager then offers the quantity surveyor approximately 100,000 to approve the inflated claim. This scenario involved several ethical breaches, including bribery, financial malpractice, collusions, and false reporting of the project progress. If the quantity surveyor accepts the offer, the client may suffer financial losses because payment would be made for work that has not actually been complete. To resolve this issue, the quantity surveyor should reject the bribe, conduct an independent verification of the work completed, and certify the only actual progress achieved on site. This incident should also be documented and reported to senior management and relevant authorities when necessary. This action ensures transparency, accountability, and protection of the client's interests.
To conclude, the Horizon Tower project demonstrates that successful construction management requires effective planning, strong leadership, and good teamwork. A clear organizational structure ensures that every team member understands their roles and responsibilities, leading to better coordination and decision making. In addition, applying management best practice such as proper scheduling, resources management, and digital project monitoring help keep the project on track and improve overall efficiency. At the same time, maintaining high standard of health, safety, and environmental management, together with strong professional ethics, ensure that the project is completed safely, responsibly, and in compliance with industry regulation. Overall, by combining these strategies, the Horizon Tower project can be delivered on time, within budget, and with the expected quality. Thank you.